My name is Gretchen Roars and I am an illustrator. I always see a lot of correlation between the shapes in nature and the shapes that fashion designers try to make to convey a woman's body. A perfectly rounded pear or, even a really frilly piece of kale that could make a beautiful dress. Typically, I'll see one shape of a tomato or this one particularly voluminous kale, and that will kind of set me down a path to creating something kind of funny and reminiscent of what's going down the runways. My favorite organic girl dressing is the lemon agave because it's so light and the citrus notes are just so clear, but it also, has a touch of sweetness in it. It really just pairs well with any leaf, any protein or vegetable that you pair with it. One of the most fun parts about this project for Organic Girl was seeing how these different flavors could come together and how different herbs and spices could play off of each other and create flavor combinations and profiles. Like, oh, you can put this together and this tastes really good. And so for me, it's actually influenced my cooking too. It was just so cool to try something new.